In this partnership to success review, we're not only going to review the product, we're primarily going to talk about bonuses. Now, we're going to talk a little bit over the sales page here. I'm going to spend the majority of this video specifically talking about the bonuses that you're going to get 100% for free if you decide to buy through the link down in the description. It's an affiliate commission. It doesn't cost you anything. I just get paid for promoting their product, but I also get to give you a ton of free value just for you signing up through my link. So we're going to dive in, guys. I love this program. So I actually made a video probably not too long ago about 10 of my top favorite business ideas right now. And this made the list. This is actually something we are currently creating our own product for something else. We're currently launching our own coaching program. So those are our two priorities right now. Speaking of which, if you want to learn how to make consistent 10K months, there's a link down in the description with some free training. Highly encourage you check that out. But one thing that I've already put on our calendar that we're going to do this year is join this program with John Thornhill, where he actually helps you not only construct a product, he then promotes it to his affiliates and his list. So if you're not familiar with how product launches work in general, as someone who's been an affiliate marketer for a long time, I've done a little bit of product creation, but far more on the affiliate side, promoting other people's products. A product like this, if I can create something and then have someone as big as John push that product, I'm able to not only make so much money from the product and so many buyers, I'm also able to collect so many emails and so many new subscribers from something like that. This is one of those programs that will pay for itself. Literally zero chance it doesn't. He also has one of my favorite guarantees out there. Like, I don't even remember what this one is. This might be a 60-day. Don't quote me on that. I can't remember off the top of my head. But I guarantee that if it doesn't work for you, if it's not a good fit, you are more than welcome to get a refund. But also John Thornhill is just so well known at this point that it's not even a concern. So let's talk through the page. If you're thinking about it, if you've already watched the webinar and you're like 100% no, I'm going to, I just want to make sure I get the best bonuses, you can skip ahead in the video to the point where we talk about the bonuses. If you're still trying to figure out more about the program, let me tell you, not in it yet, just because there's only so much time in the day and we're working on a lot of stuff. But by the end of first quarter, I believe, of 2026, we will be doing it. So I'm so pumped about it. I'm actually in a program of John's that's something else, but I'm so excited to hop in this one because I've had such good experiences with that. So how can you partner with us in keeping brand new AI technology and keep 100% of the profits for yourself? So one of the big benefits is it is a lot of work creating a good high quality product. What John allows you to do is not only use his products and adapt them, but also teaches you how to make your own with AI. So it's like, not only do you not have to go out and do all the work, he gives you resources. He teaches you, if you do decide to later go out and do your own, it's incredible how much value is packed into this thing. So live on the demo, fastest and easiest way to build an online business. And this is 100% true, by the way. It's hard to imagine an easier way where you can partner with a guy his size. And like he's huge. His email list is probably hundreds of thousands of people. And this small purchase allows you to tap into his list and his authority, which is just unreal. Lots of testimonials of other people who have used this and how much money they were able to make doing it. I mean, think of the first thing you ever did in business. In 7 days, you were able to make $2,300. If you have a little bit of experience, you'll be able to make a lot more than that because you're going to make a better product. Maybe you already have a little bit of a reputation while letting AI do all the heavy lifting. So it's a phenomenal webinar. I highly recommend checking it out. So we're going to jump over to the bonus page. When you click that link in the description, it's going to take you to this page. Now, the video you're watching is obviously going to be right here where we cover all these bonuses. So if you want to watch it again, you'll have access to it there. But you're going to get to partner and keep 100% of the profits. So let's talk through these bonuses. I think it's going to add so much value that's just going to be a no-brainer. If his offer wasn't already enough of a no-brainer, here are some extras to make sure. So we're going to do number one, the 100% profit partner quick start checklist. Again, I've done over $3 million now in online earning like the last 5.5, close to 6 years, but like 5.5 years. We've done a lot of money. So I'm going to make sure you have what you need to get started with this quick start checklist from the beginning. That's when it comes to product creation, promotion, everything you're going to need to make sure your partnership with John is successful. Number 2 is the 5-day email follow-up sequence. The money is in your list. The reason this is such an incredible opportunity is not only getting to partner with him, not only making money on the launch itself, you really get to tap into his audience. And then not only, again, it's not just about the launch. You're missing so much of it if that's what you think it is. On the back end, what you want to do is develop an email sequence that then promotes other offers that will also help that same person. So if I did a dog training course, you would think of things like, okay, what else is someone who just went through a dog training course going to need in order to succeed, right? What else can I add value to? And then on the back end, in our 5-day email follow-up sequence, we're going to add affiliate links to we're going to add either affiliate links to other people's offers or create more products to help that person. Maybe even things like your own personal coaching. Obviously, that very much depends on your level of experience. But the money is in the email list. If you're going to partner with John and you're going to get some of his list onto yours, you need to be ready to convert by using a good follow-up sequence. The $1,000 a week scaling blueprint. So what happens after you have this product launch with John? You now have been introduced to a new audience. You need to make sure you're building the relationship with them. You need to make sure you're introducing them to new offers like we talked about here. You need to be fostering the relationship and also leveraging it to building your audience even faster. So we're going to talk about, okay, now that you have this one launch, how do we continue that? How do we continue to make money? And obviously, eventually, I would love for you to join our coaching program where we get people to the point that they're doing consistent 10K months. We have guarantees that allow us to make sure you are getting to that point. But great place to start is at $1,000 a week. And hopefully once you start doing $1,000 a week, you book a call with me and we see if it's a good fit for me and my team to work with you and help you take it even farther. All of that, by the way, more information about that is in the free training to help you get to consistent 10K months that you can find down in the description. Product launch checklist with AI-generated offers. So what all do you need to make sure is there for your product launch, right? Like how do you make sure you have good quality bonuses? How do you make sure the product itself is ready? How do you make sure your email list is ready? You're going to make sure everything about your offer and your is buttoned up for the launch. Lastly, the 5th bonus is the e-commerce Launchpad, a zero to profit accelerator. A great way to make more money in your follow-up sequence is actually selling physical products as well. Now, obviously, that always depends on what your core offer is, but this is going to allow you to not only make money from the digital product launch, also potentially add in Ecom opportunities as well. So all of these bonuses 100% for free. If you decide to purchase through that link down in the description, that link will take you to this page. You will click this button right here, and then you'll register for the webinar if you decide to purchase. All you do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com. At that point, we will send you all these bonuses 100% for free. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask. I want to make sure you find success partnering with John on this, and I think you will. So hopefully these bonuses are helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I probably will do a separate video, which is a more in-depth review of the Partnership of Success. If you definitely want that, let me know down in the comments, and I'll get it published here soon. Thanks for showing up for this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon on the next video.